welcome to my channel. Today's video we have a voice amplifier again, and we're going to be reviewing it. Link is in the description if you'd like to purchase. It has multimedia play, you can do the original sound, and it has a rechargeable battery. On the back of the box you have some specifications. So it is input of DC 5V 1 amp and 1800 milliamp capacity. For distortion levels, you have the audio format, which is MP3 or WAV, and then it has an operating temperature of those 2 degrees. So right here you have a warranty, and then you just have some information on basically how to set it up, everything you need to know about this product. You have a headset, or the microphone, whatever you prefer to call it. It has a braided cable. This is where the auxiliary port is. The microphone is right here with a wind muff and the headrest. Right here we have a strap, so you can go ahead and like clip it to your shoulder or whatever, and then you can carry it with ease. Right here we have a micro USB to USB-A charging cable. So like I said, here's the device. Here you have a mode, a rewind, a pause, play, and a forward. And then you have the brand name, FerBuee. And then right here you have a charging port as well as the USB port, which usually I think it's for charging, so you can charge your device. And then right here you have a little SD card slot. This is what the battery looks like, as you can see. And then this is where the strap goes, or you can put it on your belt, basically a little bit of both. And then that's pretty much it. On the top you have the insert for the microphone, volume / an on and off switch. So you turn it on by twisting it. Now it's on. Makes like a Bluetooth sound. You can change it.
Wi-Fi mode, radio mode, record mode, voice amplifier.
So now it's on voice amplifier, and it says echo, which means you have to be careful with the echo that you don't make it facing each other. Have the microphone facing the amplifier, it will make a loud echoing sound, so make sure it's really a good distance away from it. Not super far, you can have this on you, but make sure it's not facing towards it. We're going to go and test out the sound, and then we're going to go ahead and show you, basically the quality, and I'm going to give you a review on it. Alright. Okay, so there's a big echo. Yeah, I do not know why it's echoing, but I'm going to go ahead and read the manual, and if it doesn't work, then this is where the video ends. Alright, so here it is. It works perfectly now, basically. And that the reason to do that is, I'll show you right now, is you just adjust it from the arrow, your reverb, and you can set it to how much reverb you want. So if you want it to be echoey for whatever reason, you can do that. And yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. And then the modes, and then you can play, pause, and do whatever. So yeah, you can record stuff on this. So if you want to send say a message, like a greeting, like hello, whatever, you could do that, and then you could play it whenever someone comes, and you don't want to waste your voice. It's a really good idea, and it will save your voice, obviously, from yelling and screaming. So yeah, this will help for teachers or anyone like that when you get back to school. If we get back to school at one point, this will help. You can also charge your phone. It'll be kind of weird to be doing it, but I mean, if you're one of those older type of people that can't really raise their voice and people really need to hear your voice, this will save you your job, basically. It pretty much will. I guarantee it. There's nothing wrong with it, but yeah, that's pretty much how. And if you want to see my other review of this one, of the similar one to this, in a playlist I have, and you can see that if you would like. So yeah, that's the little sound test and how it is, and I don't think it's all the way up either. So this is at the bottom, so that dial tone is the opposite. It was right around here, so it was about halfway volume. Maybe less than half. So yeah, it was way lower than it was supposed to be, but it's really good overall. Definitely recommend it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, of course, to subscribe. Thank you for watching.